Raspa Beats.
Left a hole in my heart, my left side is cold. I made a mistake, I lose my weight, I'll never hesitate. I swear to God, it's my time to quit. I never devoted my heart to a girl before. Bro, she was a lucky one, I thought she was a chosen one. My top flavor like a Fanta Pine. Have you ever felt devastated? Back in the days you were delighted. The queen of my throne, my Hamlet turned into a danger zone. How could it change within an hour? Believe me, holding you close and spending time with you was my desire. It's the truth about the table, life is unpredictable. I was insane when the pen stained on my way. The whole thing was the game without an aim. Days ain't the same, but the pen had fled away. They say heart was meant to be broken, say heart was meant to be soft. And if you hear me, you better listen.
Inindaba Tatisindo Bengituthanda babe Lwaphakade 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 Lwaphakade. Hey, yeah. Got to be fake love, has to be fake love. Got to be fake love, got to be.
I hate the fact ubani kuthande ngenhliziyo yami yonke. I wasn't ready for ukluza when bofuna ibhedi. There's nothing I can do with your fake love. Yes babe, you love it so confused, it's okay love. Bungena sithanda song at the same time with the same love. I was mad over you, I was so crazy, insane love. Now I miss you, but ansena chance ubungantandi. Nangela xesha ndwanibona uba ndiyakhetha ubunganqandi. Nangela xesha ndandiphalaza imbili ndangasikhandi. Nendlela ubuziphethe ngayo ubundibonisa ungasithandi. Oh shame, londo sengathi ndiyazigqibela. God damn, when bungachithi ubunjolela.
Like god damn, what young Tana now look, you broke my heart, damn you lied again. Made me a fool at who you use, damn I didn't like that. I thought you were my girl, the one I would die for. Now shut up and listen, you made me a stupid, I'm sad. All that the love was fake.
Inindaba Tatisindo Bengituthanda babe Lwaphakade 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 Lwaphakade. Hey, yeah. Got to be fake love, has to be fake love. Got to be fake love, got to be.